I'm Penny. Welcome to my room. I want to read a book with you that has a sneaky cat, a rat, and a big surprise. But I don't like to just read books. After I read a book, I like to retell the whole story, think about how the characters feel, and imagine what happens after the story ends. The title of this book is What Ran in Kim's Bag? Kim packs her bag. A rat ran in her bag. Kim did not see it. A cat ran in her bag. Kim did not see it. Tap, tap, tap. What is that? Kim taps back. The cat sits on Kim's lap. Kim can see the rat run. Kim is not mad. She has her pal Tab back. The end. That's the end of the story. Now comes my favorite part. I'm going to retell the story, but I'm going to use some very special words. First, next, then, and the phrases after that, and at the end. Finally, I'm going to tell you how the characters feel. One summer day, Kim is packing her suitcase because she is going to visit her grandma. She feels excited to see her grandma. First, she has to get all her clothes into her suitcase. Next, when she turns around, her cat Tab chases a rat into her suitcase. Then Kim closes her suitcase with the cat and rat inside. After that, Kim gets on a train. When, all of a sudden, Kim hears tap, tap, tap coming from her suitcase. She feels confused about what could be making the sound. What could it be, she thinks. Kim decides to find out what's tapping. First, she taps back. Next, she opens the suitcase. Then the rat runs out. Huh? And everybody on the train is shocked because they didn't expect to see a rat. After that, Kim is even more surprised when her cat Tab jumps out. Luckily, Kim catches her cat before it can chase the rat. At the end, Kim is excited to have her cat with her, but she feels a little bit worried about what her grandma will say. The end. I wish I knew what happens when she goes to her grandma's. I just had an idea! What if I make up my own ending and add it to my story retell? I just need to imagine what happens next. I think when Kim finally got to her grandmother's house, she feels worried, but Grandma gave her a big hug, and she felt just as excited to see Tab. Kim didn't need to be worried at all, because her grandmother loves her cat, and that makes Kim feel happy. The end. I hope you liked my story retell. I didn't just tell you what happened. I used the pictures and thought about what the characters said, did, and felt to add even more to the story. Sometimes a story doesn't tell us everything. We have to think and fill in what's missing. I think stories are more fun when you think about how the characters feel. Good night. Maybe I'll dream about Kim and Tab's next adventure. subscribe. Like, subscribe, subscribe, subscribe. Uh-oh. Like, subscribe. Like, subscribe.